Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix proximity sensor issues on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First of all, let's test the proximity sensor. To do that, let's go to Settings, then open About Phone menu. In About Phone menu, go to Detailed Info and Specs, then navigate down to Kernel version and tap on it 5 times to open CIT or the hardware test menu. In this menu, we're gonna have to look for elliptic sensor. Select this sensor, and now here tap retest basically. And after the retest, the value that you should be able to see right here is +5. This means that your sensor works properly. Now, if you see 0.0, that means that your sensor isn't working right, and this is a hardware issue at this point. And in order to fix your proximity sensor, if you see 0 right here, you have to reach out to Xiaomi customer support center and probably send your device to them for repair. Now, if you have +5, but your proximity sensor still isn't working, then at this point there is not many things that we can do on this smartphone, but we can try doing a couple of them. First of all, let's reset settings for phone application. But before we do anything else, let's simply restart the phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, and swiping the circle down to reboot the phone. After that, we can try something else, like going to the apps menu in settings. Then here we will be able to find the phone application and the phone services. Find both of these applications and try to clear their data. Let's clear entire data to reset settings and tap OK. Then go to phone services, do the same thing here, clear all data, OK, and then try calling somebody again and see if your screen is still staying black all the time. Now, if the problem is solved, then that's it. But if it's not, then probably your sensor is simply either dirty, either this area of your screen is dirty, and then you're gonna have to wipe it either with a piece of microfiber cloth or a soft brush. Surely don't use any metallic tools. Do not insert any metallic tools in this earpiece. Just try to wipe it carefully, and if this isn't helping you, then most probably this is just your screen protection interfering with your proximity sensor and keeping your device's screen black during the call. In such case, you just have to remove it from the screen or replace it with a new one, and do it carefully this time. And that's basically it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.